Chief Minister N. Biren arrives at Imphal, appeals to other rebel groups to come to path of peace. And World AIDS Day observed. Total eradications of drugs abuse, narcotics needed, says Health Minister Dr. 𝐶𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐻. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Cabinet ministers, MLAs and people accorded a warm welcome to Chief Minister N. Biren, who left for Delhi on November 26 on his arrival at Bir 𝐶𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐻 International Airport today. Speaking to media persons at the airport, the Chief Minister said, the signing of the peace agreement with the oldest rebel group of the state was made possible under the able leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The feat was possible because of the central leader's commitment towards bringing peace in Manipur and the entire northeast region of India, he said. Chief Minister N. Biren also urged other rebel groups in the state to come to the path of peace.
I would like to congratulate and appreciate Honorable Prime Minister Modi for his initiative to bring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur, particularly, and in the entire northeast also. And I also thank the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah for his relentless effort to bring peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. Under his initiative, this agreement was signed. I also like to thank the cadres and the members of the United National Liberation Front of Manipur for coming out for the peace agreement.
Manipur State AIDS Control Society (MACS) observed the World AIDS Day on the theme "Let Communities Lead" at Directorate of Information and Public Relations Conference held at newtv today. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. 𝐶𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐻, President of Manipur AIDS Control Society (PKJ), and Project Director MACS Haubam Rosita, and staff members of different non-governmental organizations attended the observance. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Dr. 𝐶𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐻 called for total eradications and uprooting of the growing drug menace and narcotics in Manipur. He also stressed the need for people of the state to take responsibility in raising awareness on drug menace among the youths to build a healthy society. The rising cause of drug addictions has led to mustering of rehabilitation centers in the state, Minister Ranjan added.
Where we have to be very careful, NGOs, community, we have to fight together. Rural belt, it is what we see in the rural belt. Drug users data we have, it has reached the grassroots. Grassroots is the injectable drug users in some and it spreads. Spread over. I think this is something we all are seriously and we impact with the theme let the communities lead. As we know, we all are leading from the front, and maybe with this observance of the World AIDS Day 2023, fight the Honorable Chief Minister, the war against drugs that might
A staggering amount of 18.85 crore rupees was looted from Ukhrul Town's Punjab National Bank (PNB), situated at Viewland 1 yesterday. According to police, the robbery occurred around 5:40 p.m. Then unidentified marksmen wielding sophisticated weapons carried out the heist. Upon receiving the news, a team of Ukhrul police led by SP Ningsen Versham rushed to the bank and looked for clues in the surrounding areas. CCTV footage from the bank shows around 10 masked men in khaki uniform wielding sophisticated weapons, including AK-47, dragging sacks of possibly cash from the bank. Teachers and students of UNACO Residential School Chanung, led by principal of the school, 𝐂𝐲𝐬, extended financial help to renal patient 𝐿𝐲𝐬𝐬, aged 11 of Laymaram, who has been undergoing treatment at Jennings since May 24th. Many have extended help to meet medical expenses of Divya, who is a student of Target English School, Laymaram, reading in class 4. The students and teachers of UNACO school extended financial of 15,000 rupees and a handmade Get Well Soon card as a token of encouragement to the ailing girl. RIMS Relief Committee also expressed gratitude to Progressive Youth Organization Uripok Sorbon Thingel for extending financial of 8,000 rupees. Any good Samaritan can donate for treatment of the girl at GPay number 81328-27565, the Relief Committee said. Mizoram Police has issued a lookout notice for 3 escaped under trial prisoners of Aizaol's Central Women Jail. The 3 under trial prisoners reportedly escaped from the Central Women's Jail in Aizaol in the early hours between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. yesterday. The escapees have been identified as Nien Boy, aged 33, daughter of VT Kamboy from Churachandpur, Manipur; Ladruat Sangi, aged 28, daughter of Vun Kwan Swan from Thampui, Aizaol; and Lalchan Maui, aged 42, daughter of Lalvunga from Tuirial. Reportedly, they have been behind bars for crimes related to drugs. The authorities have urged anyone with information regarding their present locations or any other information that could assist the police in locating them to contact Jonwam Police Outpost at 87947-47295 or the nearest police stations or outposts as soon as possible. Cabinet Minister Amparin Lindo has said that the National People Party NPP-led MDA 2.0 government in Meghalaya is committed to pursue the ILP agenda with the centre, a long-pending demand in the state which also had the support of all the 60 MLAs. Stating that the government cannot move away from what was discussed with all the stakeholders, Lindo pointed out that the MDA1 had gone ahead to look at the implementations of the MRSSA in a new approach. Amparin Lindo assured that she will stick with what the government says. She will not deviate from what the government has said and committed along with the NGOs. There was a problem with the accent of the bill that has also been sorted. It looks like we are well ahead on the implementations of the ILP, she said. Lindo also said that the ILP has many formulas for implementations, and if in Meghalaya the MRSSA is an acceptable idea, the government can go ahead, get the necessary notes as per directions of the state government with the central government, and make sure it sees the light of the day, the minister said.
This is the kind of excitement that is there in the minds of people. I hope that as a candidate, I will be able to make that magic happen. Because I only promise one thing: I will work hard. I will walk the talk. And I have been a person who has been vocal, who has been focused, and I will continue to do that with an effort to popularize the party that has made me an MLA this time and made me a minister this time.
Now let's take a quick break.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNACO School, Excellence in Education.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibaseng tha magi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha magi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kong hamba nungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamle fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagat hanba ngamle pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna lying jabani hakjang da sokadaba side effect amata laite makhata na hidak chabagi mathosu tararoi hena kupa parol gidamak ngasi maklangsin birau diabetes hospital soibam leikai ayangpali road opposite 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. 44 private schools in Bengaluru received bomb threats this morning through email, police said. The email claimed that explosive has been planted on school premises. Police were immediately notified and have been searching the schools for any suspicious objects. Bomb disposal squads have been dispatched to all the schools that received the bomb threat. Karnataka Home Minister 𝐂𝐞𝐰𝐬 said that the government is verifying the source of the email and has informed the police to check this on priority. While the calls appear to be a hoax, the police is taking no chances and is making every effort to trace the culprits responsible, Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayanand said. Certain schools in Bengaluru city have received emails today morning indicating bomb threat. Anti-sabotage and bomb detection squads have been pressed into service to verify and ascertain. The call seems to be a hoax. Even then, all efforts will be made to trace the culprits, Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayanand wrote on X. Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah reassured parents, stating that precautionary measures have been implemented and there is no need for parents to panic. Last year, 7 schools in Bengaluru received similar bomb threats, but it turned out to be a hoax. Now the sports news. Manipur emerged as the champion of the 3rd KHUMUJAM Women's League Judo at Imphal, winning a total of 65 medals, including 18 gold, 16 silver and 31 bronze. While Tripura secured the 2nd positions, winning a total of 15 medals, including 4 gold, 5 silver and 6 bronze. The league, organized by Manipur Judo Association, concluded yesterday. In the senior 48 kg category, Manipur's T.H. Maluti won gold, while Mutum Roshibina won silver. A. Nishita and Helen Morangtam won bronze medals. In senior 52 kg category, Ruma Debnath of Tripura won gold and Riska Iyawat of Meghalaya won silver medal, while Manipur's Laishram Pushpa and Mayang Langbam Jenita gold medal, and Manipur's N Melody and Priyanka Yungkhaibam won silver and bronze respectively. In senior 78 kg category, Manipur's Laishram Roshini and Thingom Gangarani won gold and silver medal respectively, while Saikom Sandhyarani of Manipur and Dairitri Sonowal of Assam won bronze medals. In junior 48 kg category, Manipur's Hidam Tina Chenu and Helen Morangtham won the gold and silver medal respectively. Assam Nishita and Thangzam Maluti Devi of Manipur won bronze medals. In the junior 52 kg category, Manipur's Mayang Lambam Jenita and Sukham Beauly Chen won the gold and silver medals respectively. Manipur's Longjam Nokfeka and Rums Debnath of Tripura won bronze medals in junior 52 kg category. In junior 57 kg category, Haubizam Subhasini of Manipur won this gold medal and Ansasila Riang of Tripura won silver medal, while Manipur's Athoy Yanglam and Arunachal Pradesh Gengulgoi won bronze medals. In junior 60, Sanjana Devi of Manipur won the silver medal. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren arrives at Imphal, appeals to other rebel groups to come to part of peace. And World AIDS Day observed. Total eradications of drugs abuse, narcotics needed, says Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.